What's going on, guys, and welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on this square body. Now this was one of the first rim swaps I did before I started filming everything. I like how that gold and green go together. And this one, this OBS, we're going to go ahead, and I was thinking about doing these pink rims on there, but we're going to do either one of these two from Remix Customs. And remember, guys, these rims are made in Texas. And for those pink ones, I'm gonna do this wide body Mercedes. I think it's gonna be really nice with the black and pink. I think that's gonna look amazing. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Here is that wide body Mercedes with the pink rims. Now I love this color combo, black and pink, and I like how it just sets off that rear deep dish with the wide body. I think this is gonna be my favorite rim swap of the day. All right, guys, here is the green truck with those silver rims. I like this rim swap. I think it came out really nice. I like how the box and then just the modern style rim looks good. And here is that OBS. Now, I like the design of these rims, and I like how they're deep dish in the back. I think this one came out really nice as well. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.